Forget everything you've been told about magnesium. For decades, we've been told it's the key to circulation, energy, and overall performance. But here's the truth. It's just not enough. Your body craves something more precise, something that works while you sleep, quietly repairing, restoring, and powering you from the inside out. Tonight, I want to reveal 2 vitamins that aren't just nice to have. They're game changers for blood flow, vitality, and peak performance. These aren't vague supplements or fleeting trends. These are nutrients that your body can actually use to relax your blood vessels, improve oxygen delivery, and supercharge your energy levels naturally. While most people are tossing magnesium pills into their cabinets, you could be giving your body what it really needs to perform at its best, without exhausting yourself, without expensive treatments, without gimmicks. Imagine waking up every morning with stronger circulation, sharper mental clarity, and more physical energy than you've felt in years. Imagine your heart, your muscles, your brain, all getting the support they need while you sleep. That's not a dream, that's science. And it's waiting for you in these 2 powerful vitamins. This is about reclaiming your body's natural rhythm, optimizing blood flow, and unlocking performance that you thought was only possible in your 20s. Stop settling for mediocrity. Stop relying on outdated advice. Take control of your health tonight. Sleep smarter, restore faster, and wake up ready to thrive. These vitamins are the bridge between exhaustion and energy, between frustration and peak performance. Your body deserves it, and now you finally know how to give it what it needs. Forget magnesium. Your body needs more than just a mineral. For years, we've been told that popping a magnesium pill is the secret to better circulation, improved sleep, and even enhanced energy. But the reality is far more complex. Magnesium alone is not enough to address the way our bodies function. Especially as we age or push ourselves to perform at our best, our bodies are incredibly sophisticated machines, and they require a precise combination of nutrients to repair, restore, and optimize themselves while we rest. Simply relying on magnesium is like trying to fuel a high-performance car with only half the required components. You might keep it running, but it will never reach its true potential. The truth is, circulation, energy production, and overall performance depend on more than just one mineral. While magnesium has its role, there are 2 vitamins your body is practically screaming for. Vitamins that target the very mechanisms responsible for blood flow, oxygen delivery, and cellular energy production. These vitamins work synergistically to relax your blood vessels, improve microcirculation, and support the energy pathways that drive every movement, thought, and heartbeat. They don't just help, they transform the way your body functions from the inside out. Most people go through life thinking that supplements are optional or that any pill will do the trick. They take magnesium because it's familiar, because it's safe, because it's been recommended for decades. But familiarity is not effectiveness. What your body really needs is nutrients that are active where they count the most, that penetrate your system while you sleep, and that support the natural repair processes that happen when your body is at rest. These 2 vitamins do exactly that. They are designed to work with your body's natural rhythms, restoring blood flow, reducing fatigue, and preparing your mind and muscles to perform at peak levels when you wake up. This is about taking control of your health and refusing to settle for mediocrity. It's about understanding that the advice you've heard for years, magnesium, exercise, occasional sleep, is incomplete. You deserve a solution that's evidence-based, scientifically validated, and proven to make a real difference in your energy, vitality, and overall performance. By giving your body exactly what it needs at the right time, you unlock a cascade of benefits. Improved circulation, faster recovery, enhanced mental clarity, and even better endurance. So forget magnesium. It's time to upgrade your approach, to embrace the nutrients that truly make a difference, and to give your body the tools it needs to thrive. Your health, energy, and performance are not limited by age or circumstance. They are limited only by what you choose to give your body. These 2 vitamins are not a luxury. They are a necessity for anyone who wants to wake up stronger, sharper, and more energized than ever before. Stop settling, start restoring, and experience what your body is truly capable of. Sleep time nutrients can supercharge blood flow while you rest. Most people underestimate just how powerful the hours of sleep truly are for the body. While you're lying in bed, your body is not idle. It's repairing, regenerating, and preparing for the challenges of the next day. But here's the problem. Without the right nutrients, this natural recovery process is slow, incomplete, and far less effective than it could be. Simply put, your body needs the right building blocks to maximize circulation, restore energy, and optimize performance. This is where these two remarkable vitamins come into play. Unlike magnesium or other commonly recommended supplements, these vitamins work at the precise moment your body is most receptive, during sleep. While you are unaware, your circulatory system is being fine-tuned, your arteries and veins are being supported, and oxygen delivery to your muscles, brain, and vital organs is being enhanced. Imagine every heartbeat being more effective, every cell receiving the nutrients it craves, and every system in your body being supported while you're in a deep restorative sleep. This is the kind of targeted, science-backed nutrition that can literally transform how you feel every morning. Think about how much energy is lost in a single day due to poor circulation, sluggish recovery, and insufficient blood flow. Fatigue, brain fog, low stamina, and slower physical performance are not inevitable. They are often the result of missing or inadequate nutrients. By taking vitamins that specifically enhance blood flow during sleep, you are effectively giving your body a secret performance boost. You're not just resting, you actively repairing, restoring, and priming your system to function at peak levels. This is a shift from passive sleep to active recovery, a shift that can have profound effects on energy, clarity, and overall well-being. Many people go through life thinking that circulation and energy are things you either have or you don't, but that is simply not true. Your body has an incredible capacity for repair and optimization. If you provide it with exactly what it needs at the right time, sleep time vitamins are the missing piece for anyone who wants to reclaim vitality and performance. They are not a gimmick or a placebo. They are a targeted solution to a problem most people don't even realize exists. While the world is asleep, these nutrients are quietly transforming your blood flow, supporting your heart, muscles, and brain, and setting you up for better energy, sharper focus, and more endurance the moment you wake. This is the power of timing, precision, and understanding how the body truly works. Sleep is not just for rest, it is for restoration, for preparation, and for unlocking the full potential of your body's natural systems. By providing the nutrients that enhance blood flow and performance while you sleep, you are taking a proactive step toward health, energy, and vitality. This is how true transformation happens, not through guesswork, not through temporary fixes, but through targeted, science-backed support that works while you rest, rebuild, and recharge. Your body deserves it, and the results are undeniable. 2 vitamins deliver peak energy, mental clarity, and physical performance. And the truth is, most people have no idea how transformative they can be. For decades, health advice has focused on single minerals or generic supplements. But the body is far more complex than that. Energy isn't just about caffeine or exercise. It's about giving your cells exactly what they need to function optimally, to repair themselves, and to maintain peak performance day after day. These 2 specific vitamins target the very systems responsible for blood flow, oxygen delivery, and cellular energy production. They are the difference between feeling sluggish, foggy, and tired, and waking up ready to take on the world with clarity, stamina, and strength. Every thought you have, every movement you make, every beat of your heart relies on proper circulation and nutrient support. Without it, your energy is fragmented, your focus is scattered, and your physical performance suffers. That's why these 2 vitamins are so critical. They don't just supplement your diet, they actively enhance the core systems that keep you alert, powerful, and capable. While magnesium and other common supplements may offer mild benefits, these vitamins are targeted, precise, and backed by science to improve the flow of blood, oxygen, and essential nutrients to every organ, every muscle, and every neuron in your body. Imagine waking up in the morning with a mind that is razor sharp, a body that feels lighter and stronger, and energy levels that allow you to tackle the day without relying on coffee, sugar, or other artificial boosts. That is the reality these vitamins provide when taken at the right time. While most people are struggling through fatigue, mental fog, or sluggish recovery from workouts, these nutrients are quietly working in the background, restoring circulation, improving oxygen delivery, and fueling the systems that drive your performance. They are the ultimate sleep time allies for anyone serious about health, vitality, and longevity. What makes these vitamins truly extraordinary is their ability to address multiple aspects of performance simultaneously. Mental clarity comes not from stimulants, but from proper blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that allow focus, concentration, and memory to function at their highest level. Physical performance is enhanced as muscles and tissues receive the support they need to recover faster, grow stronger, and respond more efficiently. And energy, real, sustainable energy, comes from the combination of these effects, supporting your body naturally and holistically. Most people wait until they are exhausted, frustrated, or facing health issues to realize they were missing critical nutrients. But the advantage is clear. By taking these two vitamins, you are proactively supporting your body's systems, ensuring peak energy, mental clarity, and physical performance not as a temporary boost, but as a sustainable lifestyle change. This is not just supplementation, it's optimization. This is the kind of targeted, science-backed approach that allows your body to function at its absolute best when the right nutrients meet the right timing. The results are undeniable, transformative, and long-lasting. Your body, your mind, and your performance deserve nothing less. Stop settling for mediocre circulation. Unlock true vitality tonight. Most people go through life thinking that low energy, brain fog, or sluggish recovery are just inevitable, parts of aging or daily stress. They accept these issues as normal, reaching for temporary fixes like caffeine, sugar, or over-the-counter supplements that do little more than mask the real problem. But the truth is, your body is capable of far more than you've been led to believe. Circulation is the foundation of health, vitality, and performance. Every system in your body, your brain, heart, muscles, and even your immune system depends on efficient blood flow. Without it, your body is running at a fraction of its true potential, and most people don't even realize it. What's worse, conventional advice rarely addresses the root cause. People take magnesium, exercise occasionally, or follow generic health tips, thinking that's enough. But circulation isn't something you can half fix. It requires targeted, science-backed nutrients that actively support your vascular system, relax blood vessels, and improve oxygen delivery throughout the body. That's where these two vitamins come in. They are not just supplements. They are precision tools designed to optimize blood flow while you sleep, when your body is most receptive to repair, restoration, and renewal. By supporting your circulatory system at this critical time, you set the stage for dramatic improvements in energy, clarity, and physical performance. Imagine waking up feeling alive in ways you haven't in years. No more sluggish mornings, no more mid-afternoon crashes, no more frustration from feeling like your body is holding you back. These vitamins work quietly, efficiently, and powerfully, helping your blood move more freely, delivering essential nutrients to every organ and tissue that depends on them. Improved circulation isn't just about feeling better. It's about unlocking the full potential of your body. Stronger blood flow means your muscles recover faster, your brain functions sharper, and your overall energy skyrockets. Most people don't realize that the solution to poor circulation and low vitality doesn't require extreme diets, complicated routines, or expensive treatments. The answer lies in giving your body exactly what it needs, precisely when it needs it. These two vitamins are engineered to maximize the body's natural repair mechanisms while you sleep, transforming your nights into powerful recovery sessions. They are the bridge between feeling average and feeling extraordinary, between waking up tired and waking up energized, ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. Stop settling for less. Stop accepting fatigue, mental fog, or underperformance as inevitable. Unlock your body's true vitality by giving it the nutrients it truly needs. Circulation is the key to health, energy, and performance, and these two vitamins are the most effective tools to restore it naturally, safely, and powerfully. By embracing this approach, you're not just supporting your body, you're transforming it, night by night, sleep by sleep, until your energy, clarity, and performance reach levels you might have thought were impossible. Your body deserves this, and tonight is the perfect time to start. Science-backed sleep recovery transforms your health and performance. Most people underestimate the incredible potential of sleep, seeing it only as a period of rest, a time when the body shuts down. But the reality is exactly the opposite. Sleep is when your body is most active in repairing, restoring, and recharging every system that powers your health, energy, and performance. The secret to unlocking this natural superpower isn't just about going to bed on time or sleeping longer. It's about giving your body the right nutrients at the right moment. These two sleep time vitamins do exactly that. They work with your body's natural rhythms, supporting blood flow, oxygen delivery, and cellular repair while you rest, turning ordinary sleep into extraordinary recovery. Think about all the systems in your body that depend on effective recovery: your heart, muscles, brain, and even your immune system. Poor circulation, low nutrient delivery, and inefficient repair mechanisms slow your recovery, leaving you tired, foggy, and underperforming. This is why relying on magnesium or other conventional supplements is not enough. They don't address the full complexity of your body's needs. These two vitamins are designed to fill the gap, enhancing circulation, energizing cells, and ensuring that every organ and tissue gets exactly what it needs to function at peak capacity. They aren't just helping your body, they are actively optimizing it, working silently while you sleep to improve your energy, vitality, and mental clarity. Imagine waking up after a night of sleep feeling stronger, sharper, and more energized than you have in years. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a result of giving your body the precise tools it needs to repair itself while you rest. Mental clarity is enhanced because your brain is receiving oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. Physical performance improves because your muscles recover faster and blood flow is maximized. Even your mood benefits as your body balances itself and replenishes what was depleted during the day. These vitamins turn your sleep from a passive activity into a powerful, regenerative process that impacts every aspect of your health and performance. Most people wait until fatigue, poor circulation, or low energy force them to act. But with science-backed sleep recovery, you can proactively take control of your health. You can unlock sustained energy, sharper focus, and higher endurance without relying on stimulants, caffeine, or temporary fixes. These vitamins are not a luxury. They are a necessity for anyone who wants to wake up feeling revitalized and prepared to perform at their best, day after day. They represent the cutting edge of health science, combining proven effectiveness with natural restoration mechanisms to deliver results that are both dramatic and sustainable. Sleep is not just a break from life, it's the most powerful opportunity to restore your body, recharge your systems, and unlock true performance. By supporting recovery with these two targeted vitamins, you transform your nights into a time of renewal, ensuring that every morning you wake up with more energy, focus, and vitality than the day before. This is how real transformation happens. Your body, mind, and performance deserve nothing less, and with the right support, sleep becomes the ultimate tool to achieve it.